Did you know many people are having trouble with setting up their security cameras? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Set up the app. First, download the Eufy Security app, sign in, and add your camera. Step 2. Charge camera. Ensure your camera is fully charged using the provided USB-C cable. Step 3. Choose location. Select a mounting location that provides the best view of the area. Step 4. Mount camera. Mount the camera at an angle to cover the desired spots effectively. Step 5. Adjust view. Securely attach the camera to its bracket and adjust the view as necessary. Now you should be able to record and monitor people approaching your home. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Eufy users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.